Hello, how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal license exam prep practice. So I have 14 multiple choice questions in this video and start right away with question number 1. In a pure inductive or capacitive circuit, the phase angle between voltage and current will have phase difference of A 90 degrees, B 45, C 180, or D 360 degrees. Correct answer is 90 degrees. Number 2. Adhesive filters remove dust particles up to A 50%, B 90%, C 75%, D 60%. Correct answer is B 90%. Three. What is the maximum carbon dioxide satisfactory level indoors? A 700 ppm, B 500 ppm, C 2000 ppm, or D 1000 ppm. Correct answer is A 1000 ppm. ppm is parts per million. Number 4. External equalizer line is connected blank from the sensing bulb. A upstream, B downstream, C midpoint, or D none of the above. Correct answer is B downstream. Number 5. System in which heat is transferred from air side loop directly into the refrigeration loop. A steam system, B chilled water system, C direct expansion or DX system, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C direct expansion DX system. Number 6. Silicon controlled rectifier or SCR is A PNPN device, B NPNP device, C PPNN device, or D NNPP device. And the correct answer is A PNPN device. Number 7. In a linear bilateral circuit, blank applied is proportional to current flowing. A heat, B resistance, C voltage, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C voltage. Number 8. Higher relative humidity blank the rate of evaporation from a person. A maintains, B increases, C decreases, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C decreases. Number 9. Warmer temperatures can hold more moisture than colder temperatures. Warm summer air contains more moisture than cold winter air. even when saturated. A, true. B, indeterminate. C, false. Or D, none of the above. Correct answer is A, true. It's a true statement. Number 10. After completing installation of a refrigeration system, it must be pressurized with an inert gas such as blank and leak checked. A, acetylene. B, oxygen. C, nitrogen. Or D, freon. Correct answer is C, nitrogen. S 11. One main advantage of recovering refrigerant in the vapor phase is blank, the loss of oil. A, maximize. B, maintain. C, minimize. Or D, preserve. Correct answer is C, minimize. Number 12, last question. The benefit of recovering refrigerant in the liquid phase is blank recovery time. A, reduce. B, eliminate. C, convenient. Or D, increase. And the correct answer is A, reduce. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful and you learn something, and I'll see you again in the next video. Cheers and have a good one.